Durability sometimes hides inside the most fragile-looking materials. Glass looks delicate, but it holds one of the most powerful properties of any material humans have created. Unlike plastic, paper, or metal, glass can be recycled endlessly without losing its strength, clarity, or purity. That means a glass bottle made decades ago could still be reused today in a completely new form, again and again, without any decline in quality. When glass is recycled, it is melted down and reformed into new products. The structure of glass does not degrade during this process. There is no shortening of fibers, no weakening of bonds, and no loss of performance. A recycled glass jar can become another jar, a bottle, or even construction material, all with the same durability as the original. Because of this unique ability, most glass ever produced technically still exists in usable form. If properly collected and recycled, it does not become waste in the traditional sense. Instead, it remains part of a continuous loop, moving from one use to the next across generations. This makes glass one of the most sustainable materials ever invented. Recycling glass also saves energy and natural resources. Using recycled glass requires less heat than creating new glass from raw materials like sand and limestone. That reduction in energy use lowers emissions and decreases the environmental impact of manufacturing. It also reduces the need to extract new resources from the earth. Despite these benefits, a significant amount of glass still ends up in landfills. Once buried, it does not break down or disappear. It simply sits there, unchanged. This reality makes glass recycling one of the most effective ways to reduce long-term waste and preserve materials already in circulation. The idea that glass can last forever challenges how people think about consumption. Something used briefly does not have to become trash. With the right systems and habits, it can remain useful far beyond its original purpose. Glass may shatter easily, but its lifespan is nearly eternal. It stands as proof that some materials are not meant to be thrown away, only transformed. Fun fact: glass made thousands of years ago can still be recycled today because its chemical structure never breaks down over time.